Hey guys, this is Felix with Castmasters. Thank you for purchasing your GG5000SS propane powered smelting furnace. Guys, a couple things that you will need to operate your propane furnace, which are not included with the purchase of your furnace, are safety goggles, protective gloves, protective face shield, your thermometer rated at 2100 degrees Fahrenheit, a lighter, and also, which is very important, is your fire extinguisher. Now that you've opened your box, here's what you'll receive inside your box. Your furnace chamber, the cable insulation inside the chamber and also in the lid, your air regulator, your fire brick, your Teflon tape, your 17-inch tongs, your air intake valve, and also your 5-kilogram crucible. Using your Teflon tape, we're going to take this air intake regulator and give us a good seal when attaching your propane regulator. This will eliminate any leaking. We're going to install, tighten it like so, your propane regulator to the air intake regulator, like so. Nice and snug. And take your tool, pair of pliers, and tighten that. So it's nice and snug, no leaks. We are now ready to insert your air intake valve into your furnace chamber until it's flush. Tighten, hand tighten like so. Use your tool to tighten more. This is bad, where it's wiggling right here. Good. It's not moving. You're now ready to insert your fire brick into the chamber of your furnace. Make sure it's flat at the bottom. You're now ready to insert your 5-kilogram crucible into the chamber of your furnace, making sure it does not cover the air intake hole. We're now ready to attach your propane regulator to your propane tank. Nice and snug. If there is a leak in any part of your connection points, your regulator will shut off. It will automatically have an emergency shut off. This is telling you that there is a loose connection and that there's gas leaking at some point within your connection. It's very important that you hear the gas going through the lines when you open the valves. Your furnace is now on. You can increase the strength of your flame or the power of the propane going into your line by letting air into your valve and turning your regulator up. You want to make sure that you have constant air going through. You don't want to hear sputtering. This is right now a good sound. The more you open up your regulator, the hotter it will get. The more you open up your air valve, the hotter it will get. We can close the lid. Using your safety gloves and your tongs. This will eliminate any open flame going to your direct skin. All right, we've got our propane furnace running on all cylinders right now. We're going to check the temperature that is inside the crucible with our external thermometer. We're going to read it in Fahrenheit. Drop her in there. I'm gonna close the lid. And we're reaching up 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit and rising. 1,200. Constant rate of heat. 1,300. For your convenience, stamped into the plate of our Castmasters GG500SS are different melting points for gold, silver, brass, bronze, aluminum, copper, and cast iron. So for example, gold will melt at 1,900 degrees Fahrenheit. Most people are melting aluminum at 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, of which we're well over 1,200. We're at 1,642. All right, and as your furnace is seasoning, when it comes out of the box, it's gonna look with no blemishes, but as it is seasoning and you are receiving a high rate of heat inside the furnace chamber, you're gonna experience some discoloration, which is normal. This is a high heat area right here and also on the top. The lid's gonna discolor. And don't worry folks, if your lid warps a bit or when you close it there are little bits of gap, it's okay, that's perfectly fine. We're gonna melt a piece of our overstock aluminum here at the shop. We're just gonna place your aluminum at the top here. Very important folks that if you are going to place tall items in here, that you do want to secure it every so often when it starts coming, it starts melting for that matter, so that it doesn't tip over. Oftentimes when you are burning scrap metal, you are burning the impurities from those metals, and what you're experiencing here is not from the actual furnace, it's actually the impurities from the metals that are burning off. This is perfectly okay.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.